हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम आए हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का बेस बनाने के लिए। ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें? तो जैसे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का नाम आता है वैसी चीज आती है एंगल्स। लोअर क्लासेस में ज्योमेट्री में आप क्या पढ़ चुके हैं? एंगल इन ज्योमेट्री मीन्स अ रे OA, another ray starts from say OB, another ray starts say OC, starting point say same, then angle is AOB or BOC or AOC. These are the angles in the simple geometry from our class 5th, 6th, 7th and so on. Angle in trigonometry is different. Here it is the baseline, initial line OA, and if we move towards anti-clockwise, then this angle is said to be the positive angle, that is angle AOB. We can define as theta, but it is positive. Opposite, if initial line is this one and terminal line is like this, we are going clockwise, and when we go clockwise it is the negative angle. If it is theta, it is negative theta. For example, suppose this angle is 80 degree, correct? Total angle 360 degree. If we come back from negative 2, the angle is negative 90, negative 180 and then negative 280. कहाँ तक पहुंच जाएंगे तो 280 हो जाएगा, इसको हम पहुंचा देते हैं यहाँ तक. टोटल सम इज 360. अगेन ये एंगल क्या था? 80 with positive direction. We want to make the same angle from the negative line. If we take initial line OA and come back, so this angle goes like, it will said to be minus 280 and sum is 360. One round 360. Similarly, if negative angle is 360 and we want to measure it from the positive direction, it is clockwise, negative 60, then anti-clockwise, come to again 300 degree and total is 360. So the very important point, if first we start the trigonometry, then the base is how to measure the angles positive and negative. Now we come to the another point. We have three systems to measure the angle, units of measurement of angles. First is sexagesimal system, in which, as you know from your lower classes, draw the angle of 60 degree, draw the angle of 120 degree using compass and protractor and so on. So we are using degrees. 1 degree 60 minutes, just like रुपए पैसे होता है ना, उसी टाइप से. तो 1 degree के छोटे parts 60, it says to be 60 minutes, same as our watch system. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, same as our watch system. 1 slash is 1 minute, double means seconds. 1 right angle equals to 90 degree, you know very well. The second system, the French system, centesimal system, in which the unit is grades, denoted by G, small g. 1 right angle equals to 100 G, just like 100 rupees and 100 paisa, French system. 1 G equals to 100 minutes and 1 minute equals to 100 seconds. But don't compare that this minute and this minute is the same. No, it's totally different. Third system, what we want to start here in the trigonometry, radian or circular system. What is radian or circular system? If we have a circle, unit circle means radius is 1, whatever kilometer or meter or centimeter, but unit is 1. And if you take this arc length is again 1, then the angle subtended by this arc PQ on the center is said to be 1 radian. And its symbol is 1 to power this C, C for circular. डिग्री में 0 टाइप छोटा, ग्रेड्स में G और इसके अंदर है C, C for circular system, 1C. If you want to calculate for 2C, then let the length of arc be double. If it is 1, 1 and 2, then the angle subtended to the center from this arc is 2 radian. You know the value of pi, approximately we are using in the lower classes, 22/7 is a irrational number, 3.14 and so chalta jayega. Don't say it is a rational number. But for the accuracy, more accuracy, it is pi 355/113. And pi, you know, is nothing but the ratio of circumference of the circle divided by diameter. What is circumference of the circle? You know, 2 pi r. So if we divide 2 pi r by 2r, what we are getting? Pi. So here we divide, we are getting value of pi. Pi is the ratio between the circumference of the circle divided by the diameter of the circle. Correct? So now we start. What is radian? How we convert radian to degrees? So one important formula among all these three. If we multiply by 2, that is 180 degree. 180 degree is nothing but pi. It means 2 right angles and it means 200 G. 200 G, see, 200 G means 2 right angles. 2 right angles means 180 degree and 2 right angles means 180 degree. So this is the complete relation, and we can write the conversion formula between these three like G by 100. Just note down G by 100 because grades, then D by 90 for degree, and then 2C divided by pi for radian system. So this is the important formula for conversion of grade to degree or degree to circular system, that is radian system. कभी क्या होगा, सर्कुलर में कुछ दे देंगे 2 रेडियन और कहेंगे डिग्री में चेंज करो. कभी डिग्री दे देंगे, कहेंगे ग्रेड में चेंज करो. ग्रेड दे देंगे, सर्कुलर में चेंज करो. So this is the most important formula for converting 1 to second, second to third, third to first, whatever you want, you can convert it. But usually we are not using these grades. फ्रेंच सिस्टम को हम काम में नहीं लेते हैं, हम सिर्फ क्या चलाते हैं, डिग्री और सर्कुलर सिस्टम. Yes, so now we come to the next article. Now we want to prove radian is a constant angle. You know the definition of the radian. One radian is when radius equals to radius and equals to length of the arc is also radius. अगर तीनों चीजें r r r हैं या 1 1 1 है, इसका मतलब सेंटर पे बनने वाला एंगल 1 रेडियन होगा. डेफिनेशन, एंगल AOB 1 रेडियन. Now also AOC means diameter, so angle is 2 right angles, that is 180 degree. We know from our lower classes. You know a particular theorem from class 9th that angle subtended at the center, proportionally to the length of the arc of the circle. So here AOB, if you are taking this angle AOB, then AOC, we want a ratio between the two angles. What? AOB and AOC. Then opposite to AOB, what arc we are using? R, arc AB. And opposite to AAC, what arc we are using? Half the circumference, that is 2 pi r ka half, pi r. So here we write pi r. So 1 radian upon 180 degree is same as r divided by pi r. R and R cancel out. What we are getting, 1 radian equals to 180 degree upon pi, that is 2 right angles upon pi, that is a constant term. Yes, a small change here, will get one more relation. What relation? Suppose this C is not here, and by the way this C is anywhere, this C is anywhere on another part, say C, and AOC angle is this time theta, theta C. Again applying the same theorem, ratio of the angles AOC and ratio of the angle AOB are proportionally to the length of the arc. So what is the length of the arc of, that is, suppose it is L. Length of the arc, suppose L. So here we write L. Opposite to AOB, the length of arc is R. AOC is nothing but theta C and AOB is 1C. So very important relation, that theta C is nothing but L by R. But important point, don't put here degrees. If in the question it is given in the degrees, we have to convert it into circular system theta C. Now what is the shortcut? How to convert? First important thing, suppose you have 45 degree and we want to convert degrees to circular system. Then simple thing, you have to multiply by pi upon 180 degree. It is cancel out. What we are getting? Pi by 4. One more, suppose 120 degree and you want to convert it into radian. So multiply by pi upon 180. Cancel out 62, 63, answer is 2 pi by 3. Suppose we want to calculate 135 degree into radian system. Multiply by pi, divide by 180, cancel out 45 3 and 45 4. Answer is 3 pi by 4. First thing. Second thing, sometime they will give you in radian system with pi. By the way, 7 pi by 4. This time it is in radian system and we want to convert it into degree system. Then simple thing, for this pi, pi means 180 degree. Now cancel out 7 into 5, 4, 16, multiply, what we are getting, 315 degree. One more, suppose they will give you 2 pi by 3, very common angle, and they want to convert it into degrees. So what we write, 2 by 3 as it is, and for pi simply write 180 degree. What we are getting, 120 degree. So these are the things, vice versa, we can convert radian system to degrees and degrees to radian. But now the important point starts. If the radian system is not given in the pi, but it is given in like 2c, then how we convert? This is not 2 pi, this is only 2 radian. Then 1 radian means, we know that 1 radian means 180 upon pi, where pi means 22 by 7. So here 2c means 2 into 180 divided by pi, and pi means 22 by 7. Now solve it. 2 into 180 divided by 22 into 7. If we cancel out, 11. Finally 700, 5, 12, 60 divided by 11. This is in terms of degrees. But we want to convert not in degrees, we want in minutes and seconds. Then how we convert? Important point starts here. So here we have to divide long division method. First by 11. 11 1 11, 11 1 11, 11 4 44, remainder is 6. It means we have 114 full degrees. 114 full degrees plus what is remainder? 6 by 11 also full degrees. But since it is fraction, we want to change in minutes and seconds. So first we change it into minutes. 1 degree means 60 minutes. Now it will convert it into minutes. वही खुले पैसे करने वाला, रुपए को पैसे में कैसे करते हैं, है ना, सेम चीज. So 114 degree plus 6 360 divided by 11 minutes. Again we will divide 360 divided by 11, 11 3 33, 11 2 22, 8. So what we'll write, 114 degree plus 32 full minutes plus 8 by 11 minutes. क्या किया, 360 by 11 minutes थे, डिवाइड किया, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम सेज 32 plus 8 by 11, so 32 plus 8 by 11. Now this is in terms of minutes, but we want to convert it again in small unit seconds. 114 degree, 32 minutes, and 8 into 60 divided by 11. This is now seconds. So 480 by 11. Again divide. 480 by 11. 11 4 44. 11 3 33 and 7. So here we write final result 114 degree, 32 minutes and 43 approx seconds. Remainder is 7 by 11. उसके भी नीचे और कोई यूनिट आती तो हम बोल देते. So this is the most important thing. Whenever we have the radian system in 2 radian, 3 radian, 5 radian, minus 5 radian, how to convert in degrees, minutes and seconds. So you have to divide and convert into lower units. Correct? Now we'll start some questions. First is, in a triangle, the angles are in the ratio 3:4:5. Find the smallest angle in degree and the greatest angle in radian. So you know, if 3 angles are in the ratio, we know total equals to 180 degree, 12x equals to 180 degree, and x equals to 180 by 12, 15 degree. X is 15 degree. So what is the smallest angle? 3 into 15, 45 degree. Second angle, 60 degree. And third angle, 75 degree. So this answer is directly in degree. But we want to convert this one in radian system. It means you have to multiply by pi upon 180. Cancel out with 15, 15, 5 and 15, 2. So answer is 5 pi by 12 radian. Either you put C or don't put, the same thing. Clear है कि 5 pi by 12 लिखा है, it means radian में. अगर लिखना चाहे तो complete bracket के साथ C लगा सकते हैं. Second sum. Find the radius of the circle when theta c 45 degree. First we have to convert 45 degree into radian system. So it is pi by 4. So now pi by 4 equals to theta c equals to L by R. L is given 132 and R we want to calculate. So answer is pi R equals to 132 into 4 divided by pi, and pi always use 22 by 7. If it is not given, it means 22 by 7. So now answer is 132 into 4 into 7 divided by 22. 11 2, 11 1 and 2. 22 to 2, 24 into 7, 8. 168 units. Centimeter is given, then centimeter. Whatever unit is given, you have to write the unit. Simple formula. What formula we use here? Theta c equals to L by R. But important point, this must be in radian system only. Next sum is third sum. Diameter is given. It means radius is given. And the chord is given 25. Radius is 25. Chord is 25. We want to calculate L. Diagram is very clear. This angle automatic 60 degree. And when this one is 60 degree meaning is 60 into pi upon 180. That is pi by 3 is the central angle. When you know the central angle, we have the formula. Theta c is L by R. Our aim is to calculate L. It means theta c into R. What is theta c? We have pi by 3. What is R? We have 25. Simply substitute the value and get the answer. कर लेंगे. Calculation work is okay. Next is how to convert. Again one question. -4. Minus को देख के बच्चे डर जाते हैं. -4c. No problem. Minus is out. It is simply 4c. 4 radian. How we convert 4 radian? You know very well. 1 radian means 180 upon pi. Yes. So 4 radian means 4 into 180 upon pi. Answer is 4 into 180 into 7 divided by 22. Cancel out. 2, 11, nothing. Minus as it is 360 into 7 divided by 11. That is minus 70,42520 divided by 11. This is completely now in terms of degrees. और इसके बाद डिवाइड करना, डिग्रीज में लाना, डिग्रीज को मिनट्स में लाना, मिनट्स को सेकंड्स में लाना अपन कर चुके हैं आज. तो बिल्कुल उसी स्टाइल से आप इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे. द लास्ट इज डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन. ये बचा हुआ पार्ट पूरा करना है आपको, है ना. लास्ट पार्ट इज -5 pi by 24. We want to convert it into degrees. This time pi c is given. That's why it is different and it is easier than the last one. Pi means 180 degree. Now calculate 12 2, 12 1, 12 5. That is -75 by 2, -37.5 degree. Either you write minus or you write -37, half degree. And half degree means 60 minutes by 2. So we can write -37 plus 30 minutes. -37 degree and 30 minutes, or you write -37.5, the same thing. तो इस तरह से हमने कंप्लीट किया आज सर्कुलर सिस्टम. प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 3.1 कंप्लीट करनी है. ओके, आगे आगे बढ़ते रहें, रोज का काम रोज करते रहें और ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को हम बढ़ाते रहेंगे। तो मिलते हैं वापस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का थर्ड पार्ट लेकर के, तब तक टेक केयर, गुड बाय।